Hello everybody, SA Apps Info here. Hope you are well. Today I will show you how to solve Facebook business account restriction or how to solve business account restriction problem. So if you are facing this kinds of problem that your account has been disabled or your identity confirmation failed, then today's video hopefully help you. So after that, go to your any browser what you have, then log in your Facebook account. After that, go to the search bar and type confirm your identity. Confirm your identity Facebook. After that, click to the confirm your identity first link, and then you can see uh, what types of IDs Facebook accept. Then you can see the issued ID card should have your name, your birthday, your name and your photo. Example of government ID cards: driving license, national ID card, passport or birth certificate. Or um, you can use any of other non-government ID card, that student card, library card, uh, employment verification, diploma or loyalty card. So after that, back to this page and click to the choose file option and choose your any identification card what you have, and don't forget to log in your account also in this browser. So after that, click to the sending option. In 24 to 48 hours your account will be solved, or your account will be unrestricted. So this a that was a proven method, so I hope your account will be unrestricted in couple of hours. So thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative tips and tricks.